Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So, Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for all the messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can just get started right now. And here we have my email. So, of course, you have an email because it's very easy to do that and it's important for in our life. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and if you don't have an email you have just to dive into mail.google.com, or you can just here download or upload the Gmail application. Then you have to add your email address and your password. Then you'll find here this page and you start scrolling and also researching about email more and more. And this is one of this video where I will show you here the steps and the tricks that could help you to use Gmail very easy and very well. All right, so here we have our account in Gmail, and also we find here in the top left the button of compose. As you can see, you can just make it like that and you can just get started right now by adding to recipient. And also we have here added thank you for not add ccc and bcc as well, and you have just to add here to, and here we have CCC and BCC as well, and then you add subject. As you can see, recipient and the subject. Then for example, let's just add in a subject here. For example, let's add in, for example, asking for my friends. Then I will just come back right now and I will just start to talk there. For example, there, for example, James. I hope everything's doing well. Everything's doing well, like that. And just start here adding your paragraph, for example. Then also we have a recipient. You have to add an email. For example, I will add my email like that, or the email of the person that you will send the message. All right, so for example like that. And then here we have my email, and if you want to hear other options that could help you, such as if you want to hear click over here and you start endo, and we have also here the button of Fredo, as you can see. And we have here you choose the option that you want, for wide or for not here serif, fixed width, narrow, comic, and we have here government, and you have just to choose the one you want. Also we have here the button of if you want to hear huge, large, or normal or small. Then we have here if you want to make it bold, italic, and if you want to hear in the line, and we have also the text color, and if you want to also hear alignment, and here we have numbered list, bold lists, indent lists, and we have here if you want to put it like that in the middle, and it's just like a title, for example their gems, and you come back and you start adding. All right, so then we have also here count, and we have also here right to left, and we have other options here, for example formatting options, and also we have attach files. If you want to insert link, use emoji as well. Insert files using drive. We have insert photos and toggle confidential mode. Then we have also here insert signature. You have just manage signatures and you start here adding a signature if you want, right? Then we have also here other options such as here label if you want to label, and you have to make it short if you want, update forms, promotions, and we have also here add start if you want to create new. Click over here and you start create new. You have to enter a new label here name, and the next here we have please select the brand, as you can see. So that's it for this one right now, and let's just come back right now, and you'll find here this page. So we have here also inbox, start, snowed, and we have here send. We have also draft more, such as if you want to hear import, chats, scheduled. For example, about scheduled, once you click over it, you will find here the schedule like that, as you can see. Then we have here all mail. Then we have here the spam. Then we have here trash category, manage labels as well. Then we have here create new label if you want, and you start by clicking over create new label. We have here snow start, and then we have here inbox, as you can see. So in the top you'll find here the settings, as you can see. So at this one you'll find here other things such as application and Gmail for the density team, and we have here also inbox type. You can just click over see all the settings to get started. And what we have here, for example, for language, and we have also your phone number just to add it, and the maximum page size, and the send. We have also here short and mid for here, also advanced, and for example we have also the advanced here, templates, custom keyboard shortcuts. We have a read message icon, and also we have here offline, for example we have a Teams, and that's it for this one right now. And also we have here, for example, labels, as you can see. If you want to inbox, if you want to here system labels and show a label list, then we have here inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses. Then we have forwarding and pop emap as well, and we have add-ons, as you can see. So we find here also here short and mid, advanced, offline, and Teams. You can just here select the one you want and you start modifying it like that. All right, so we have here the email that we receive or that we find on our Gmail after sign up. If you if you receive some email, you'll find it here, as you can see. And if you want a response, you click over the one you want and you start responding by clicking over, for example, this one. I will just here scroll down, and then I will just here reply by clicking over here, and then I will reply. All right, so it's very easy to do that. Also we find here other things in the main menu, as you can see. We have also here other options such as support, if you want to hear Google Map application, and here we have my account. We find also here if you want to get add-ons, you click over here and you get add-ons. For now also contacts, and we have tasks as well. We have it kept and also the calendar, and you get started with this one, as you can see. And once if you want to labels, you click over here and you start here to enter a new label name, next label under, and you click over here create, and you start creating a label. And that's Gmail. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and honestly it makes email way easier. Don't stress if it feels a little confusing at first. I'm here if you need help. Just give it a try and soon you will be crazy draw your inbox like a pro. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.